Hello guys, today in this tutorial I will guide you how you can install Windows 2 Prime Minister laptop. Things you need: Prime Minister laptop and bootable window. First of all, insert your USB here and start your computer. When your computer start, restart it again. When it is starting, click escape button rapidly. So this screen will appear. In this screen, go to boot option. Here is two options. One is boot option 1 and second one is boot option 2. Select your position 1 and press minus button. Then your flash drive selected and save this setting. When you click yes, the window will be directly started. As you can see the screen. Window started successfully. Now follow the window installation method and install window to your laptop. Remove the root folder and install new window. It's easy method. So if you like this tutorial, share it with friends and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.